Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sam and this is my beauty channel where I do videos makeup, hair, fashion, lifestyle, and beauty related. I also have a second channel which is mainly vlogs and challenges and other lifestyle videos, but today's video is going to be a clean with me / nighttime routine. And I've done nighttime routines before. I actually have not done one since we moved to California in this house, but I have not done a cleaning video before, so I'm super excited about this. I've done cleaning montages on my vlogs and stuff, but I just love cleaning videos. Does anyone else? Like, they're just so motivating and so fun to watch. And if anyone's like me, I'm a night owl, and I kind of get most of my energy and motivation towards the second half of the day when it's dark out, which that's not always the case, but most of the time when it's dark out, I do. So that is why I decided to lump this cleaning video with my nighttime routine, because it is usually when I tend to clean the house. So as you can see right now, I am just picking up stuff from the floor, clothes, small items, as well as big items, and I'm moving all of the big items on top of this rug in our family room. So we have a Eufy RoboVac, and I absolutely love it. It has never sucked anything up that it wasn't supposed to. It has gotten tangled in wires, and it has dragged like shoes around if it got a shoelace, but it has never like ruined anything or sucked anything up that it wasn't supposed to. But the reason that I move larger pieces of furniture and block off the rug with shoes is because that rug is amazing. It's a jute rug. We got it from Wayfair. We love it, but it sheds like a dog, and it actually fills up the Eufy RoboVac's filter super, super fast. So I tend to move everything on there to try to keep the RoboVac off of there, but it doesn't always happen. Hey Google, tell Max to vacuum.
Sure, starting Max.
And if you were wondering, yes, we named our RoboVac after the dog from the Grinch. But while Max is doing his thing, I am just starting off with the bathroom, hanging up towels, putting away products, and clearing off the counter so that I can wipe down all the surfaces and everything. Next, I headed to the kitchen and did one of my least favorite chores, the dishes. I hate doing the laundry at night because our washer and dryer is in our garage, but like I said, I tend to get most of my stuff done in the afternoon and at night. I'm just more energized at that time. I swear I'm more of a night owl. than a morning person, but I headed out into the garage to do some laundry. And if you guys would like, please let me know in the comments down below and thumbs up this video. We did a little bit of a garage laundry room remodel video a while back. It was very simple, but it's crazy what some paint and some shelves and cute little containers can do to turn the garage laundry room into a cute little laundry room nook. So after Max was all done and headed back to his home base in the office, I put everything back, all the garbage cans, the bar stools, the shoes, everything like that. It is kind of annoying to, move them and then put them back, but it's just so easy to run the RoboVac while I am cleaning other things. And when I want to do a deep clean, I will, and I'll use, our regular Dyson vacuum, but the Eufy RoboVac seriously makes it so much easier. For dinner that night, I actually just ate one of Alex's meal preps. It was turkey meat with low sodium taco seasoning. I just added a little self-serve pack of guacamole to it and chopped up some tomatoes. We ate this with the Tostitos lemon lime chips that we love. Kind of healthy. Chips definitely didn't make it healthy, but it was so good. And honestly, as I'm doing this voiceover, I'm craving it now. Now I'm going to be winding down for the night, and I started off by taking a shower, and then we will jump on into skincare. And I'm so excited because this video is actually in partnership with MixEasy Custom Skincare. This time I ordered a face cleanser, moisturizer, and an eye cream. Here you guys can see me creating my custom face cleanser for normal and combination skin. There are so many fresh ingredients to choose from, and I decided to add apple fruit extract for firmness, ginseng extract for anti-fatigue, evening primrose extract for anti-aging, and pomegranate extract for even skin texture. And last but not least, I chose the bamboo and cucumber scent, which smelled so refreshing and clean. If you're unsure about any ingredient, all you have to do is hover your mouse over to see if it's a good fit for you and your skincare or not. And that was just the cleanser. The moisturizer and the eye cream were completely customized with their own ingredients as well. If you guys check out MixEasy and decide to order your own custom skincare line, be sure to use my code PIGNATELLI at checkout for 15% off the entire site. Now to wash my face, I'm using another favorite, my Radiant Skincare System face brush from Duval. The bristles were a little bent because it got smushed in my skincare basket under my sink, but they propped right back up when they got wet and I was washing my face. Trust me, it's amazing and it makes washing my face so much easier. I'll leave a coupon code for that in the description as well. So after using the products for a few months, I really love the way they work, how clean and nice my face feels, and I love that they are completely customizable depending on what you want to focus on with your skincare routine. Not to mention they're high quality, natural, and safe. MixEasy doesn't use colorants, parabens, silicone, mineral oils, dyes, sulfates, or any other chemical substances, so you know your body is in safe hands. They are also vegan friendly and cruelty free. So here you see me shaving off my peach fuzz. I was a little hesitant to do this at first, but I've been doing it for, I believe, a year and a half now, and it seriously makes such a difference in my skin. I find that my moisturizer and my makeup applies so much smoother once I get all the peach fuzz off, and it's a great exfoliant as well. After applying my custom face cream and eye cream, I'm just using this rose quartz roller to roll underneath my eyes and on my face just to help depuff, help with circulation, and it's honestly really cooling and feels very nice. And the last part of my skincare routine is to add a spot treatment to any pimples or acne I may have. This one's from Clean & Clear. I've been using it for years. I love the way it smells and it works really, really well. And next I'm going to be using the Daylogic body lotion. It's very comparable to the Aveeno sensitive skin body lotion. It's just like the Rite Aid brand. And this mint and argan chapstick from Grove. So after putting on this really comfy PJ set, I'm going to be making myself a peppermint hot chocolate. This is like my fave winter drink. I love just making a regular old hot chocolate, but adding a peppermint stick into it and some whipped cream. And sometimes, if I want to get crazy, add some rum chata. It is delicious. I kind of just did a quick overview of this for you guys because I do want to do an at-home nail video for you guys. If you want to see it, like this video and comment and let me know down below. But I was doing my nails this night, so I just thought I would include it in the video for you. I've been doing my nails at home since quarantine started. I actually filmed a video for you guys, I want to say last spring of 2020, and I just never wanted to put it up because every time I do it, I keep getting better at it, finding better ways to do it, better tools to use, things like that. So I finally feel like I got it kind of down pat. So if you guys want to see that video, let me know. After my nails were all done, I joined Alex in the other room to watch Yellowstone. We actually stayed up so late this night finishing it. It is definitely not my favorite show, but I am a sucker and I got totally hooked on it. He loves it and it is pretty good. So if you haven't watched it, definitely check it out. But after we finished the show, I just tidied up the living room. So after I shut everything off, I just headed back into the bathroom to brush my teeth. And because I didn't wash my hair that night, pro tip, you can add dry shampoo at night to your hair and not rub it in completely so that the oil in your hair absorbs it overnight. And here I am grabbing a glass of water from our Brita before I hop into bed. And something I definitely want to work on is my screen time before bed, but I find that something that really winds me down is playing games and watching videos before bed. I know it's not the best thing in the world, but that is what I do. So right now I'm super obsessed with Disney Magic Kingdoms. I love solitaire and really any like brain games, but that is what I do. That is my entire nighttime routine. I hope that you guys liked it. It's really nothing too special. Tried to keep it as realistic and raw as possible. If you liked it, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell so you are notified every single time I upload a new video. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye. Or should I say goodnight?